Hello and welcome to another episode of MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's begin. Which section of the Industrial Disputes Act 1947 outlines the conditions precedent to retrenchment of workmen? Section 23, Section 24, Section 25F or Section 31? The correct answer is option C, Section 25F. Recently, in the Joint Secretary Central Board of Secondary Education versus Rajkumar Mishra case, the Supreme Court held that a direct master-servant relationship must be documented for an employment claim. Section 25F of the Industrial Disputes Act 1947 deals with the conditions precedent to retrenchment of workmen. Section 25F mandates specific procedural and compensatory requirements that an employer must strictly follow before retrenching a workman who has completed continuous service of not less than 1 year. What does Order 26 Rule 9 of the CPC enable a court to issue? Subpoena, warrant, injunction, or commission? The correct answer is option D, commission. Recently, in the Siraj Deen versus Likayat Ali case, the Jammu and Kashmir High Court held that the court noted that a commissioner under Order 39 Rule 7 Code of Civil Procedure 1908 is appointed for inspection purposes, while a commissioner under Order 26 Rule 9 CPC is meant for investigation to elucidate disputed facts. As per Rule 9 of Order 26 of Code of Civil Procedure, the court can issue commission for local investigation. What does the term pendentility refer to in the context of Section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955? After the litigation, before the litigation, pending the litigation, or none of the above? The correct answer is option C, pending the litigation. Section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 states the provisions for maintenance, pendentility and expenses of proceedings. The term pendentility means pending the litigation or during the pendency of the case. Which article of the Constitution of India establishes the doctrine of territorial nexus? Article 226, Article 245, Article 370 or Article 32? The correct answer is option B, Article 245. The doctrine of territorial nexus states that the laws made by a state legislature are not applicable outside the state, except when there is a sufficient nexus between the state and the object. This doctrine derives its power from Article 245 of the Constitution of India 1950. In Civil Procedure Code, the appointment of receiver has been dealt with under Order 44, under Order 40, under Order 42 or under Order 45. The correct answer is option B. Order 40 of the CPC deals with the appointment of receivers. Under Order 40 of the Code of Civil Procedure, a court can appoint a receiver of any property either before or after a decree and can remove someone from possession, committing the property to the receiver's custody or management. Now it's time for the practice question. Which one of the following is based upon doctrine of equity? Res judicata, res sub judice, suit for civil nature or estoppel? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.